Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today I'm going to share two different raita recipes with you guys. One is the onion raita, sweet onion raita. It just tastes amazing with any vegetarian meals. And the other one is the onion and cucumber raita. This is best served with any biryani or pulao. Or this is also best in the summers. A cold bowl of raita goes best with anything. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make these delicious and yummy raitas. 500 grams of thick yogurt, 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced, 2 medium cucumbers cut into small cubes, 2 medium onions finely chopped, few green chilies chopped, some coriander leaves chopped, some mint leaves, roasted cumin seed powder around 2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons of sugar and salt as required. First we'll start making our sweet onion raita, for which I'm going to use the thinly sliced onion. So simply just squeeze it a bit with your hands, just like that. Okay, and into this we'll add the salt. See, I'm adding around a half a teaspoon of salt and squeeze it. This will make the onion soft a little bit, and if you want it crunchy, just leave it as it is. So I'm going to remove this onto a plate. Keep this aside, and into the same bowl we'll add half of the yogurt. Now it depends on you, if you want more or less, you can go ahead and add as much as you like. Into the yogurt we'll add our sugar, around 2 tablespoons. So mix this up until the sugar is dissolved nicely. So as you can see, the sugar is dissolved nicely. Into this we'll add the onion. And give it a nice mix. Alright, and now we'll add around 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, some coriander leaves, few green chilies if you want, sweet, spicy and salty. This is how it will taste, and few mint leaves. So mix it up. Now we'll remove this into a bowl. So here I have a serving bowl. Into this I'll remove all the raita. So our sweet onion raita is done. I'm going to keep this aside and make the cucumber raita. So into a bowl we'll add the yogurt. So into this we'll add around 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, green chilies, salt. Mix it up. Add in the onions. Cucumber. Give it a nice mix. Add in some coriander leaves, some mint leaves. Mix it nicely. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. That's it. And it's all done. Now remove this into a serving bowl. Our raita is all done and you can refrigerate them into an airtight container. These raitas will stay fresh for at least 3 days. So hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.